Hey guys, Christy here, and today I want to talk about the Venta Air Humidifier.
And as usual, we have this product linked in the description below.
It's super easy to use. I'll show you in a few seconds how to use it, but this thing is great because it not only humidifies the air, but it also actually naturally takes out air pollutants. And there's no filter. Well, I guess technically the filter is a reusable set of discs. So it's really nice that you're not having to constantly replace the filter.
So to use this, you basically just fill it with water, and there's actually a line on the side that shows you the fill limit. And then once you filled it, basically you just put the filter in, and then you can just put the top on, make sure it's plugged in. And to turn it on, super easy. You have 3 different settings here. So now we have it on 3, which is the maximum.
So to clean this, you basically just fill it with water, and then you can take a sponge and just wipe it clean. So this thing works really nice for when you have a drier climate. We use this a lot during the fall and winter months when it's just drier outside and you get more chapped lips and dry skin. A really great high quality machine.